What's up, y'all? Good morning. Alright, so I haven't uploaded a video in a while. With my friend Tariq here, we're gonna be doing some work on the GS today. I probably only got like 2 hours. Recently put my coilovers on. I didn't even make a video of that because people know how to put suspension on the car. So I didn't make a video of that, but I'm just gonna make a little thing with us right here, just adjusting the front wheels on the car. It's too tall. I gotta change the tires, but I'm just gonna bring the front down today, probably about an inch, and work with that. And then when I put the thicker tires on the back, I'm gonna put some 275/40s on the back, and whatever. Either I'm gonna do that or I'm gonna change the rims. I'm thinking about changing the rims, put back some 20s and keep my 19s. I don't know if somebody's gonna want to buy these or what, but that's what I'm thinking about doing. And I did my exhaust, but one side kind of popped down, so I gotta just readjust it today. So I'm gonna go over all that so y'all can see what's up. Anyways, I'll be right back. Alright, so this is currently how the car sits right now. That is a very acceptable ride height for me. I don't know, I might bring it up just a half an inch more. And then that's the front. That's the front right there. And then that's the back. A part of it has to do with all the weight that I got in there, but hey, I still need to bring the front down some more. As for the exhaust, this right here is the exhaust. So you can see that side over there is lined up, and then this side over here dropped down. I don't like that. Once I see it one time, I'm always gonna keep on seeing it, so I need to just pull that down. It's probably only gonna be like a 5-minute thing. So yeah, gotta do that right now. So I'm gonna go pull this thing off and get some stuff going. So yeah, I gotta do a video with a part 2 of the clutch installation, but I haven't gotten to that yet, so I need to do that part. So yeah, gotta do that part. Since recently added 50 horsepower to my car with the red brake and calipers, you know, rotors and calipers. You know, that gives you a lot of horsepower. Yep, a lot of horsepower. I can actually feel it, you know. So that's a nice little addition right there. Probably got 100 extra horsepower on the car right now. But yeah, all right, all jokes aside, if anybody want these rims to buy in Miami, Fort Lauderdale area, surrounding areas, I'm selling them. There's some SSWs, selling those. They just need to get cleaned up. Those are 19s on the front and the back. I think I'm gonna sell those. So if anybody's interested, just hit me up and let me know. Bum. All right, so me and my friend was just here talking about the drop in the car. I think I'm gonna do a half an inch, and then depending on how it goes, I'm gonna drop it down some more. I don't want to lose my front bumper, which I'm not gonna, because I always remember that type of stuff is right there. But I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop it down a half an inch. See if it evens out with the back. Put a little bit of tightening on these front suspensions, on these front coilovers. Even though I got a dampening thing on it, put a little bit of tightening on them. You know, whatever. As I say, I'm selling these rims. I was planning on putting some 255s on here. If anybody wanted to buy, just tell them. Get some different ones to put on there. Man, these brakes, they give off so much freaking dust, it's not even funny. Oh my god. Good thing is they're direct bolt-ons, but man, too much damn dust, man. Too much dust. Alright, so I wonder if I should try doing this the easy way today. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pull this nut down here, push it out, pry the suspension down a little bit, see if I'll just get it done from there without having to pull off the sway bar connection and all that. And obviously I have to pull upper control arm part right here, so let me get to that right now. I got a time limit that I'm working with. It's now 11:15. I gotta be out of here in a little while. Ooh, that's hot. Well, not completely hot, but it's getting there. Hey, don't watch this. I need to get some spacers. I know. But hey, they work good for right now, right? They work good for right now. That's all the spacers I needed. They work really good for right now. All right, so, oh my God. I didn't record me showing where the bolts are and on this thing and everything. Not sure if somebody knows how to do that part. So yeah, just gonna do it the easy way. Just gonna pry this down, loosen it, just take off 1/2 inch off of it, and then put it back on, and that's it. Not gonna put nothing more than that down today. I don't put nothing more than that down today. I think I actually got it right now, to be honest with you. Well, nah, not honest with you, because that thing right there is still a damn beast. Alright, so I'm gonna loosen these. See if I can spin it up somewhat. Hey, Lou, cut. So I just did this thing right now. Just adjusted this down a little bit, about 1/2 inch. So I'm just gonna put everything back right now. Move on to the other side. That was pretty short. That was about 15 minutes or less. That's why I love working with coilovers. It's not like lowering spring or stock shocks. You can't do nothing to it. Just gotta leave it where it is. This is a whole lot better to work with. A whole lot stressful. I don't even have the tool to tighten up these things right now, so I'm just gonna do them some old-fashioned way. And that should be more than tight enough. Yep, should be more than tight enough. That should be way more than tight enough. Back to this. I think I'm gonna buy some different rotors too. These are the super brakes. I think I'm gonna buy some different rotors to put on there. Some drill and slotted rotors and some hog pads or something like that. I think I'm gonna do that. And my car is a mess. I gotta do some more suspension work underneath here. This part under here, the piece of shield tore out. Not even worry about it, because I gotta change this front bumper. It don't look that bad, but I gotta change the front bumper and put that thing back underneath there. Woo, Lord. Yeah. That's a nice one. Caught that on video. Oh my God. That hurt. That hurt. Okay. Thank God my finger didn't get hit down there too. Oh man, caught that damn shit on video. Oh Lord. I'll be right back.
Oh, that's just on the park window.
Oh, I hear you. Hey. So yeah, that's the food break. I'm about to eat something from Golden Crust right now. It's called a fritters. Or fritters in Jamaican term, you know. Basically got saltfish flour and all that shit. Hold on. Saltfish flour and all those stuff. Yeah. Actually pretty good. That's breakfast. Alright, I'm already done with this side. Gotta put the tire back on. I won't be able to see like the real way of how it looks until I actually drive the car and it settles in. Then I really get to see. Then I'm gonna come around here and finish up under the exhaust. Can you believe I'm driving 5 GS at one time? There's a gold one and I got 4 white ones. Look at that. I got 4 white ones. Those things came all the way from the United Kingdom. That's a pretty damn long way. But yeah, let me finish up this fritters right now and then I'll be right back. You know, I'm walking around here, I'm wondering, what the hell is this? Looks like a freaking invasion of the dinosaurs. I was about to take off, but I realized it's a damn freaking toy. Anyways, alright. So this side over here is off. I'm gonna do the same thing, so I'm not even gonna record this. I'm supposed to be getting a pipe for my wastegate. Hopefully it comes in today, so I'll just put that on. Man, these damn things are dusty as hell. Shit. All I do is put all this damn dust on my freaking car. The rims and everything. I gotta keep on cleaning them like I don't know what the hell. Like it's a damn newborn baby shitting every minute. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this. I'm not even gonna record this part. I'll record a little part of the exhaust when I do that. So yeah. This thing just made my damn rims dirty, man. What the hell? I just came from the car wash this morning. Look at that. One drive home and that's it. Shit. Anyways, let me go get to this thing. I'm not gonna touch the back ones today. The front on the other side looks good so far. I gotta drive it and let it level out. So that's it for that part right there. Yeah, I have a couple of more stuff to do, but I'm running out of time right now. It's 12:04, so I really don't have no time messing around. Probably tomorrow.